2025 Prelim Catholic High School Paper 2, Question 10. Walter and Cedric started cycling from the same place in opposite directions along a straight path. Okay, this is a speed question, so let's draw a triangle first. Okay. D over T, S. Alright. And then they were cycling on the same path from the same place but in opposite direction. Walter's speed was 40 meters per minute faster than Cedric. Walter is faster. Okay, so he traveled further. This is Walter. Okay. And Cedric in opposite direction for a shorter distance. This is Cedric. Alright. Both of them did not change their speed throughout, so constant speed. They were 23.38 kilometers apart after they finished cycling. Walter cycled 2.8 kilometers more than Cedric. What was Cedric's speed in meter per minute? Now the question wants us to give our answer in meter per minute. So to ensure that we don't get any careless mistake at the end, so let's convert all this. Okay, 2.8 kilometers will convert into 2,800 meters. 23.38 kilometers. Okay, will convert into 23,380 meters. Right? They were 23,380 meters apart in distance. Walter cycled 2,800 meters more than Cedric. Now, we know that every minute Walter is going to cycle 40 meters more, right? Because he's 40 meters faster every minute. So in how many minutes will Walter be (2,800 meters more? Okay, we can find the answer here. Just take 2,800 divided by 40. Okay, that'll give us 70 minutes. Okay, what this means is that in 70 minutes, Walter will travel 2,800 meters more than Cedric, which means that both of them have traveled for 70 minutes. Okay, this is the time taken. Now we have distance. We also have time. Okay, we can now calculate our combined speed. Be very careful. This is not Cedric's speed or Walter's speed, but the combined speed, because we are taking the combined distance divided by the time. Alright? So this will give us 334 meters per minute. This is the combined speed. Now let's solve for Cedric's speed. This is Walter's speed. We know that he is 40 meters faster per minute. And this is Cedric's speed. Alright? And the combined speed is 334 meters per minute. Okay? 1U, 1U. So Cedric's speed equals to 334 minus 40 divided by 2. Okay. That will give us 140 147 meter per minute. Okay, that's our answer. 147 meter per minute.